All right, there's my thumbnail. That's my thumbnail picture. All right, Thanksgiving Day 2023. Woohoo! I would have had a really cool morning to show you here. It was sunny, beautiful. I got up this morning and I just went out and did my swim, and I thought, oh man, they weren't telling us about this. They were keeping it a secret about how nice it was going to be today. And I've been out here for about an hour. I thought, I'll get in a couple hours of something I really enjoy. No, not hunting. Fencing. So I came out to do this, and then it clouded over, and the wind came up, and it's cold wind coming out of the north. So yeah, that put an end to that. But I did get some done, and I'm thankful for that. So I guess it's Thanksgiving, and we talk about things that we're thankful for. And there's been a lot of people coming in and out of my life, and I've gotten some good input, and people can relate to the wonder of their own work, what they do, what their work is, what's their calling, their mission. And I yesterday realized something, that sometimes people get aimless. And I think when that happens, to me anyway, all I have to do is shrink things down. Like I'm doing a big fence project now. Big. Like there's a lot of acreage out here that's got to be covered. And it's just me, myself, and I. And so it seems overwhelming. But then I've made it, the most intricate part. I've had to fence around this cabin. And now I've got a big long shot now. And then I'm going to have another big long shot. And those go up quick. And you really feel like you got something done. So what's worked for me is breaking the job down into small parts. And then my aimlessness goes away. Because believe it or not, sometimes you wake up in the morning and say, why did I do this? It's like I got 1,000 balls in the air at the same time. And, why? But once you get going, you say, oh, okay, this is for this job. When I'm able to open that gate and my cows can come in here, and I know they've got feed, I won't have to give them any hay for, till spring. There's so much stockpiled out here. That is going to be my reward, It's going to be my reward. Yeah, and they're going to be gaining a couple pounds a day, and, eventually you butcher them and you sell the meat and you get money and stuff. But that's not really the reward for me. That doesn't really keep me going. That moment when I open the gate and they come out here and they start jumping around, because they've been off pasture now for a week. There's nothing left out there, and I've had to give them hay. So, I think that's my thankful thing today. I'm really happy about that. Got up this morning and everybody went to it. The cows got milked, the animals got fed. I got out here and built another, 100-foot of fence. And before I'm done, I'll have another 100-foot going that way, because I've got a little bit of time before I have to call it for the day. And I'm really thankful that we get to spend some time with friends and family, and we've got food, and we've got a warm place to meet, and that's very important. Very important. Talked with one of my sons this morning, and he's off deployment, but there's times when people are deployed. I've had this happen, and your Thanksgiving meal is like an MRE, and they try to dress it up. Oh, we'll bring down some soup for you. It's warm. And, you think, wow, But there's a lot of people that are working today. They're not off. They're not going to be off during the holidays. I'm used to it, so I don't mind. I actually like working the holidays. It's not a big deal. But that's it. I just thought I'd show my face and say thanks to everybody for participating in this farming adventure, this dream, this journey. And I hope it helps you. Get over to the Anyone Can Farm Tribe on Facebook. That's where this is going to be posted, so most of you will see it over there. But a lot of people are sharing what they're doing in their homestead and adventure, and there's a lot of homestead channels, a lot of them now. So a lot of people are into it. That's a good thing. I'm thankful that I got in when I did, and things have gone as well as they have. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving. Remember, anyone can farm.